Good morning, students. Welcome in your English class. I wish all my students a very delightful morning. Students, we are doing adverbs, and here is the exercise number 12.1. And till yet, we have read that adverbs is the ornament of English language that modifies or adds something in the meaning of adjective, verb, and another adverb. It adds something in the meaning of adjective, verbs, and another adverb. We have read this. So let us sort out this exercise. I have told him to speak clearly. Here we are having in brackets adverbs, and what do? We have to place the adverbs in their correct position. Is it okay? So we know that adverb is a word that adds something in the meaning of verbs also. So told, you know that we are having the word told. I have. Now what do? We will write often word here. I have often told him to speak clearly. Is it okay? Similarly, in second sentence, he is at home on Fridays. वो Fridays को घर पर होता है. Now, always is the adverb given here. So, what do? He is always at home. Here we will write the correct answer. He is always at home on Fridays. Is it okay? Now we are seeing that adverb is qualifying the preposition at here. Next is we have lunch at 1 o'clock usually. कहते हैं हम आमतौर पर 1 बजे तक लंच कर लेते हैं. So we अब now we are having the verb have here. So we will put we will write usually here after we usually have lunch at 1 o'clock. At number 4, we agree with you. We agree with you. Bracket में verb is given quite. So we quite agree with you. We quite agree with you because it is qualifying. Why we are adding here? Because it is verb is given here and nothing else. So we quite agree with you. हम आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा सहमत हैं. Quite. You will write the word quite here after we. Is it okay, beta? Next is फतेह knows the answer. फतेह को आंसर मालूम है. Already. Bracket में verb is given already. So what do? Again it is qualifying the verb here. फतेह already. You will write the word already here. फतेह already knows the answer. Is it okay? फतेह को पहले से ही आंसर मालूम है. You must say such things again. And bracket में verb is given never. So what do? You must. Now it is again qualifying the verb here say. So you must never say such things again. So we will put the adverb at his right place, that you must never say such things again. Is it okay? Next is it is difficult to read your handwriting, and it is bracket में verb is given, adverb is given rather. So it is rather. Now for a change, देखिए बेटा, for a change difficult. What is difficult? Adjective. It now the adverb is qualifying adjective. It is rather difficult to read your handwriting. It is rather. Is it okay? Rather will come here. ठीक है बेटा? Yes. At number 8, Mr. Agarwal goes to Los Angeles for business. Yes, Mr. Agarwal. Now again we are seeing that it will qualify the verb. So Mr. Agarwal, here you will write the word frequently. Mr. Agarwal frequently goes to Los Angeles for business. At number 9, the train has left. Bracket में है just. So what do? The train has just left. So here is the leave, left. Again verb is here. The train has just left. Is it okay? Now 10th, do you eat cheese? yes, I do sometimes. Bracket में adverb is given sometimes. Do you sometimes, here you will, it is the verb again here. Do you sometimes, do you sometimes, times, is it okay? Do you sometimes eat cheese? Yes, I do. So we see that we have to put these adverbs at their correct positions. I am sure that the exercise is quite clear to you. Okay, students, thank you. Good.